very special occasion, the induction of new members of the Makati Eagles Club. It is more special considering now that the Makati Eagles Club is one of the oldest surviving Eagles Club in Luzon. Service through strong brotherhood. At higit sa lahat, ang community service at pagiging miyembro ng Agila ay kawang-gawa. Yan po ang puso ng Makati Eagles Club at dyan namin kinukuha ang aming lakas.
Excited na po ako na makita ang mga magagandang bagay ng ating maisasakatuparan bilang isang miyembro ng Makati Eagles Club. At marinig ang mga kwento ng inyong kontribusyon sa ating mga proyekto.
It is indeed my pleasure to be able to stand here before you and be able to share something that I do believe would be able to help the community, our country, and our dear people, especially the needy people of our community.
I, Eagle, state your name, having sincerely and freely applied to be a member of the State Club, a club duly affiliated.
Today marks the beginning of a new journey, one filled with opportunities to grow, to serve, and to uphold the noble ideals of our beloved fraternity. As Eagles, we are bound by a commitment to service, leadership, and excellence.
That is the goal of the Philippine Eagles. Ang gusto ni Philippine Eagles or ni Magna Carta na ituro sa atin is that ang mga kuya at ate natin dito, ituring nating mga kapatid natin. Do not be just a member, but be a brother or sister dito sa kapatiran natin.
Ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, bago tayo pumasok ng Agila or the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, ay respeto. Marunong tayo magrespeto.
We are all here today because we believe in the same ideas, brotherhood, service, and patriotism. Together, we will uphold these values and work toward a brighter and stronger and more united future for our communications and for the Philippines. We fly together, we serve together, and together we will make a lasting impact on our communities. Mabuhay ang Philippine Eagles, mabuhay ang Fraternal Orders of Eagles, and thank you and congratulations po sa ating lahat.
In this day and age, we do not need servant leaders who are in love with money and publicity, but in this new age and day, we badly need servant leaders in love with charity, generosity, and justice.